In chapter 1, India size. In the previous videos we have learned about India's latitudinal longitudinal extent as well as the implication of these two on India. Then we did the size of our country. In today's session we are going to learn about India and its neighboring countries. You know, India is located in the northern hemisphere and longitudinally in the eastern hemisphere. In this chapter, here we are giving the list of India's neighboring country and the country which borders with India. And this will help the student to enhance their general knowledge in dealing with the question related to geography of India in different competitive examination as well as academic examination. And for 11th class, this chapter is very important for you people. India is located south central part of the continent of Asia, bordering with Indian Ocean. Peninsular India protrudes in Indian Ocean in such a way it divides it into two arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. You can see here in this map of South Asia, you can see this is India, and this peninsular part, this whole peninsular India is entered in Indian Ocean in such a way that it divides northern part of Indian Ocean in two arms. One is Arabian Sea, another is Bay of Bengal. And all these have given some maritime location of India which provide a link with its neighboring countries and regions through the sea. In this map you can have a look that India's position with the position we have in Indian Ocean, we can go to different parts of the world, like this side, in the western side we have these Arabian country, Africa, which are well connected with the Arabian Sea route, and through the Bay of Bengal we are very much connected with these Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and these Singapore, Indonesia. Even in the south we have Australia. So this Indian Ocean and the location of India at its head have given very strategic position. Even after the opening of Suez Canal, here this is located between Africa and Asia near the Egypt. This have given so important position and is a location to India. We are very much connected and close to the European country through Mediterranean Sea. Right? This is Suez Canal. And this link have given India a strategic position in Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries which are located in Indian Ocean, and these are our neighboring country. Sri Lanka is separated by a Gulf of Mannar and Pak Strait. Pakistan and Afghanistan are located in our northwest. These are two neighboring countries which are located in the northwest of our country. China is in north. Nepal also with Bhutan located in Himalayan mountains in the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are in the east of our country. You can again see the map of Asia. India have borders with 7 countries. Pakistan have a long border from Jammu Kashmir via Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. And we have a very small border with Afghanistan here with the Durand line. This border of India and Afghanistan is called Durand line. And we have a long border of China along with Jammu Kashmir. This is Himachal, then Uttaranchal. Then again a border of Nepal start with, and this we have border with again China through the Sikkim, then Bhutan's border. Arunachal Pradesh, we have border with China, Myanmar as well, have border with the northeastern states and Bhutan. These are 7 countries. Again, I repeat: Pakistan, Afghanistan, 3 China, 4th Nepal, 5th Bhutan, 6th Myanmar, and 7th Bangladesh. And we have 2 south neighboring country located in Indian Ocean. One is Sri Lanka, another is Maldives. Sri Lanka is just separated by a very narrow channel, Park Strait, and Gulf of Mannar here. And Maldives is located here in just a little south of Sri Lanka, right? So this is what our position with our neighboring country and in Indian Ocean. And there is no doubt that the position of India in the South Asia is very strategic for rest of the world, as well as position of our country in Indian Ocean. It has given trade benefit to us, and through the Indian Ocean, which was once upon a time was a considered barrier, because due to this sea, African, South Asian country and European country were not able to reach here. But now in modern period, in 20 and 21st century, this is one of the, you can say, a benefit for us in trade point of view. Thank you.